Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on your DELL Chromebook 3400. To turn on your laptop, you simply have to short press the power button located in the top right corner of your device's keyboard. After that, you will either see the Chromebook logo on your screen, and if you don't see it, you can short press the power button for another couple of seconds, and if your device doesn't start, that probably means that your laptop is discharged. So connect the power cable to your device and check the LED indicator on the left edge of your laptop. When your device is sufficiently charged, it should be glowing white. And so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.